This YouTube channel named Clash of Beasts uploaded only 69 videos and got over 1,39,000 subscribers, earning $3,70,000 to $1 million per month. Gain over 10 million views within last 7 days. What is unbelievable? This YouTube channel named Battle Wild uploaded only 137 videos and got over 9,70,000 subscribers, earning between $2,97,000 to $8,92,000 per month. Insane. And next YouTube channel named Virtual Meowniverse uploaded only 88 videos and get 1,29,000 subscribers, earning between $4,22,000 to $1 million per month. Unbelievable. Next YouTube channel named Granny and Harold uploaded only 45 videos and get 64,000 plus subscribers, earning between $2,02,000 to $6,06,000 per month. Incredible. All of these channels making videos using Sora 2. After watching this video you can create your own YouTube channel. So watch this video till the end. All of the Sora 2 generated videos are getting huge views such as 64 million, 62 million, 63 million, 60 million, and so on. So this is the opportune moment to start your channel to earn up to $1 million per month. You are watching some popular videos in the screen. Can you believe almost all videos are getting millions and millions of views? So at first we need to learn how to make this kind of AI videos. Firstly, select any video that you want to remake. I primarily select this video and right-click on it and open this video in new tab. This video got over 65 million views. So we will now remake this video so that we can be viral soon. Click on Share button and copy the URL. Then visit to Google AI Studio's homepage and click on Fetch Information with URL Context button. And paste that copied URL to this box and give a ready prompt, ask on comment, I will provide you. Paste prompt and click Run button. And wait for few seconds, you will see AI will provide us full ready prompt to use it directly on Sora 2 AI video generator. Now copy the prompt and visit to Sora and paste it to prompt box and select aspect ratio and 15 seconds duration and hit enter button. AI will start generating exact video as our selected video. Let's do this for another video to understand this method exactly. I am selecting this video. This video got over 56 million views. So click on Share button, copy URL, go to AI Studio and paste it after selecting Fetch Information with URL Context button and get final prompt for generating Sora 2 video. In the meantime, if you have any questions or confusion, you can ask me on comment. I will reply all comments one by one. Let's do this for another video to understand this method exactly. I am selecting this video. This video got over 77 million views. So click on Share button, copy URL, go to AI Studio and paste it after selecting Fetch Information with URL Context button and get final prompt for generating Sora 2 video. If you learn anything yet, please like, comment, share. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's see what Sora made for us according to our prompts. This was our first prompt and Sora made awesome AI video for us. This was our second prompt and Sora also made awesome AI video for us. This was our third prompt and Sora made almost exact AI video like that channel. So we need to download this videos from Sora. Click on your Sora profile and click on Draft, then click on Right button and click on Open Video in new tab for easy download. Let's see our final video. This was truly awesome generation, but there is watermark on this videos. So I am telling you how to remove watermark from this video. I will give all links in description. Come to this website and upload your downloaded video and wait for few minutes. AI will automatically remove watermarks. Then download it. See, there are no watermarks. But the resolution of this video is not satisfactory. So we now make this video 4K. Open CapCut and then import this video into timeline and then adjust volume into 200% and adjust color for better output and finally click on export button. Here our video is ready finally to upload to YouTube. Now we will make our YouTube channel. Stay connected. Come to youtube.com, click on right side button of your channel name button. Then click on switch account button, then click on view all channels button. You will see all channel list. And will find a create a channel button. Click on it. Now give a name of your channel. I am naming AI Video Remake as my channel name. Try to take a unique name for your channel, so that it can be found easily. Fix a handle name and click on Create Channel button. We have successfully created our new YouTube channel. Now come to studio.youtube.com, click on Continue button. Then come to Setting and set channel basic information. And we will ready to upload our first video on YouTube after that. I will add this channel link on video description, so that you can find this Sora AI-based channel and understand how this channel is growing. But make sure you verify your channel with a phone number that you have to secure your channel. Must use your own number. You will get a verification code on your phone number. Verify your number with verification code. And we are ready to upload videos now. I hope you know how to upload videos, so I am not explaining that to you. Rather I want to show this after 1 week of creation of this channel. I have uploaded only 5 videos and got 3,000 plus views, got 12 subscribers within a week. Let's see detail analytics. See, this channel is growing so fast. So without thinking anything, just start your Sora 2 AI video based YouTube channel today and start earning money within few months. I hope this video helps you a lot. If it helps, please like, comment, share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you don't know how to get Sora 2 free, then I recommend you to watch this video too. Thank you for watching.